Konnichiwa, self-senpai. This is Miyuki. Thank you for clicking this video. This is our very first series of Japanese meme review, and
Proud to copyright this idea so that no one else
I can't
can
even
do what
remember.
I'm doing.
Meme review.
I've always thought it will be so nice to review
down
Japan-related
anyone
memes.
With copyright
Since
infringements,
we're
I have
all
lawyers.
living for the
Beware,
memes.
or else
said it
I will
right,
be
we
very
love memes.
angry.
Meme review.
It's so hot. Let's get started. First meme from Sachaloka03. Is this a proper greeting in Japan? 僕のお尻叩いてください。僕のお尻叩いてください。I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to say that, but
Is that the person who taught you this?
Sora senpai, why? Why? I would say yes, that's a proper greeting in Japan. Next meme from Slapper with Big PP. Japan before World War II, Japan after World War II. It's called hentai and it's an art. I do believe it's an art too. Slapper with Big PP, I will not give you a big PP like PewDiePie-sama does, but instead, well, PewDiePie-sama measures your PP.
To make it more original,
On this Japanese meme review, we're gonna measure your katana's your katana's sharpness. There you go.
You
We'll
believe
be
that everyone holds
slicing
a
you with
fucking
good katana
katana
here.
like this?
Next from Shobu Blaze. That's what this is, right? Hentai or something. I don't know. I never watched anime. You're right, my friend. It is hentai. That's why it's called an art. We all love hentai. From Wigmandes. Gatekeepers in Japanese live stream chats be like, when Japanese person say lol, oh dear, gorgeous. When non-Japanese say kusa. You donkey. I kinda hear Chef Ramsay saying it, but
Roll! Roll! Roll!
I see this expression in Japanese live streams. I don't really use kusab just because I'm too lazy to type it in kanji, so I just use W instead, which is the same meaning, I think. Next meme from Shobu Blaze. Priorities. Man believes his divorce was caused by Dragon Quest. もう離婚してますね。Really? That's why you gotta find a girl who loves gaming if you like gaming. And to all the girls who's dating gamers who doesn't like that, you should have known that in the first place. You can be mad to your man when they're having fun playing games. I feel like, in my opinion, it is better than him going outside drinking a lot with his friends.
I'd rather him stay at home. Period.
Next meme. Another from Shobu Blaze. Time spent well. Me after watching 900 plus episodes of One Piece. Finally, I learned Japanese. Nami-swan. Is this the definition of weeb? You can actually learn a lot of Japanese by watching anime. I learned English watching South Park, so I think that's the same thing, right?
I can't wait to see the look on Kyle's stupid face when he sees my iPad has more memory than his.
Anyways, next.
From Liquid Yeti. Oh my gosh. The car! Please! Don't! I'm recording. Akira 2020. Given 2020's track record, maybe canceling the Tokyo Olympics wasn't the worst decision ever. Man, I just think Tokyo Olympics should be cancelled. I mean, there's no way we can have that this year or next year. Although it's kind of a bummer because I was like looking forward to seeing it. It's a big event for Japan and I'll be moving to Tokyo, so I was really looking forward to that.
Let's make 2020 the worst year ever. Did I say that?
Lastly, from our subreddit, such a beautiful message. In Japan, we don't say I love you, we say oretachi wa ima, which roughly translates to let us never be apart, and I think that's beautiful.
No!
Why? I think Japanese people don't really like saying I love you. Japanese people are very shy on expressing themselves, so instead they would say I like you, like 好きだよ or 好きです. No, that squid thing is we eat it like sashimi. If you want to share Japan related memes, just click the link in the description. Well, we will review it in our next memeyuki series. Moving on, from subtle Japanese traits, shout out to Serena for letting us review their beautiful memes. 私、タトゥーお願いします。Artist。どんなデザインが欲しいですか？教えてくれればありがたいです。私、すみません。日本語わからない。Oh no! That would be like very crazy to have. Like, I think I see a lot of foreigners having that crazy tattoos that they don't really know the meaning, but they just want to put it because they kind of look cool. Just found out this today from SAT. Which songs would you want Kami-sama to listen to? Karaoke tori. An interactive public sculpture equipped with Bluetooth receivers, microphone jack, and white noise function as public karaoke sculpture. Really? This exists? Maybe I will try to sing or play one of. Next meme from Aimi Noguchi. By the way, Aimi Noguchi has Instagram and give her a follow. She's a very nice Japanese memer. No drink, no drive. Wow. I think one of the best thing in Japan is drinking in public is not illegal. You can drink everywhere. But wow, you can see this sign. Where is it? This exists? That's crazy.
Next meme.
When your friends pronounce karaoke as oh my god, I did it! When your friends pronounce karaoke as karaoke. I felt the same thing when I was in college. My friends who are like exchange students like saying this word karaoke. It kind of like made me cringe a little bit, but I'm now saying it. Most of the karaoke has a nomi hodai, so you can drink all you can. If that happens in America or other countries, people are gonna die. Do you even have nomi hodai, drink all you can in your country? Or is it only in Japan?
Let me know down in the comments.
From Aimi Noguchi. Who the heck are they teaching wrong Japanese? 私の乳首はダイヤモンドのようです。Sometimes the heart is what is invisible to the eye. Keep doing that, Martina. You are contributing to the society.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Why isn't a financial crisis in Kansai called okonomiyaki? Nice one. I see what you did there. Now it makes me want to eat okonomiyaki. By the way, I've made a video about how to make okonomiyaki. It's very easy and you'll love it. It's a Japanese version of pizza. Next meme. When you give a handful of mostly unenforceable prevention measures, send out some masks and call it good. I think he changed his mask lately. It's like more wider, but it's it's making me crazy, this pandemic. Like, I wanna go outside. From TikTok.
So I went to the konbini yesterday and like 誰も wearing a mask してなかった。It's やばいよね。It's not cool でしょ。So だから I wanted to come back.
Well, pretty much this is how I talk to my friends who knows English and Japanese. It's crazy でしょ。わかる？Next, again from Aimi-chan. Age 18 to 25 Japanese girls started a pack. What do they have here? This kind of earring, yeah. And the boots, yeah, I have that. And this gaucho pants. That's really big in Japan right now. People are wearing this gaucho pants. Oh my god, I wear this hat a lot. I can see my friends are having all of this. ごめんなさい。ごめんね。すみません。すみません。Sorimasen. Ariga thanks, Aimi-chan. Next, strong zero answer to all our problems. 将来の不安、年金問題、結婚、低賃金、ストレス社会、就職、老後. That's what you need, guys. Strong zero. Is this real? Like, I don't know. Wow. Like, oh my gosh. Throwback to 2015 when your friends were yelling Japanese phrases they heard from Papa Franku videos and you're trying to get them to shut up because someone's gonna hear them. What's your favorite Japanese phrases that you heard from Papa Franku? Let me know down in the comment section. We're gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to share your Japan related memes, I will put the link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I post a video every single week. Also, please follow our shop Instagram at artasharika. Until next time, Miyuki でした。じゃあねー。バイバイ。